Hey everybody, today we're going to show you how to remove RugedWrap fork protection vinyl film. So on this installation, this RugedWrap has been on this bike for about 6 weeks, and what we're going to do to remove it is simply grab an edge and start to remove it. RugedWrap is removable over time, so it doesn't really matter how much time goes by. It's going to remain removable without residue. So to make the job easier, it's an excellent idea to use a heat gun, warm the film up slightly, and then remove. Now your removal temperatures should be around an ambient 70 degrees to 90 degrees or 20 Celsius to say 35 Celsius. If it gets really cold, you might want to warm your application area, warm your garage up. So without further ado, let's go and reset the camera and then I'll get to it. So on this installation, this bike has two pieces of RugedWrap fork protection, this top section and then of course the bottom tube section. So you'll find that just today's about 60 degrees. You'll find that just at ambient temperature it's a little bit stiff, and I'm going to work this edge a little bit. I can get it off. It's a little stiff, but not too bad. And then if you grab a heat gun, warm to the touch. So you'll find it's just a little bit more pliable in that and comes off that much quicker and cleaner. So there we go. I've got this piece taken off and there's no residue. I could grab a cloth and just polish up my fork, but that's as easy as could be. Same procedure on the lower sections, just start peeling it off and then just work it down. It's going to come off all in one piece. If it did happen to tear, which would be unusual, no problem, just work the edge up, warm your vinyl so that it's warm to your touch, and you'll know then that it's like about say 100 degrees, maybe 110, 120 degrees, and then you'll be able to work it off just that much easier. If you don't have a heat gun, not a problem. You should still be able to remove it if you warm your garage and you've got your ambient temperature about say 70 degrees Fahrenheit or 20 20 degrees, 22, 25 degrees Celsius, something along those lines. That's it. No residue, clean, a job of a couple minutes. That's how to remove RugedWrap fork protection film.